minutes nang na-tweet.
I'm not looking.
Bridge na tayo mag-ano. Gasoline.
Ay, mata. Ito ata, approaching bridge tayo, no? Oh, so kaya pala create ng volume. We'll stay dito sa Kuan Center para chill lang tayo. Bosporus na to, no? Okay.
Yun yung Bosporus, oh.
Wow!
That's the Bosporus. We'll
are...
actually go to a vantage point, eh. We'll go to a vantage point. We'll see the Bosporus.
We're going Asia.
Ano, don't include the
The
mirror.
But I'm not looking at it.
Yun yung Bosporus?
Yes.
So, dadaan tayo dyan?
Dadaan tayo dyan.
Wow, grabe. We're going Asia now from Europe. Chill.
Pasok tayo dyan. May bayad ang bridge ba ya?
Toll.
May toll yung mga bridges nila.
I-charge yung kanya.
Automatic charge lang.
I think we should get siguro buy a car holder para
Kung naka-work tong on-road auto, wala nang issue eh. You have to set it up pa. Tama yung houses nila, oh. Tama elevated, di ba? Do you see, ma'am, on the left? That's what we saw. It's on a hill.
Ang galing ah. We're going Asia, Fox. Kaya huwag na tayong bumalik dyan kasi hirap lang. This way lang talaga. Putulin mo lang, Hana. After 2 minutes, next na naman tayo. Next video ka na naman.
Pwede 1 minute 59.
2:01 lang, bigla mo.